Nigga, fuck Cozy Boy.
It's a whole new way. Sorry, nigga, you too late.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ania, and I'm back for another one. What's up, y'all? I'm back like a butt crack. Okay, y'all, I'm back for another video. Y'all have been requesting me blowing up my phone. Well, not blowing up my phone, blowing up my DMs, asking me how what I put in my hair, how I do my hair, whatever. So in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to get this little poo/bun look, you feel me, and the baby hairs, even though my baby hairs are evaporating, but it's cool or whatever. Let's get started. Damn. Alright, y'all, first of all, y'all are going to need a spray bottle, a brush, a hard one at that, because baby, if your hair like mine, you know, it's kind of rough. Some gel. This is the Aniasalei gel, but I currently have something else in here. It's like argan oil something, because I ran out, but Aniasalei will do the same thing. Some conditioner just in case my hair wanna it's this. Hold on, I gotta show y'all. It's this. I got some of this just in case my hair wanna be dry. It currently is. So get you like a string or something, because this is how I put it up. And we gonna get right into the tutorial, you feel me? So drop, okay. Alright. I'm going to put now I'm going to put some conditioner in my hair to soften up my naps, because baby, my hair is kind of dry right now. And y'all, this is just the, you know, if your hair is like really tough and thick like mine, you gonna need some extra help. Like a mini story time, because y'all, this is just hilarious to me. Okay. Now we're gonna put some more water on it. Make sure it's softened on up. We're gonna go in with the brush and just, you know, brush it up. I haven't put no gel on it yet. I'm just brushing it up straight right now, trying to, you know, make it form. Hold on. Now I'm about to use my Aniasalei gel. Put it, slap it on my edges, okay? Enough, but I'm gonna have to put some more. I had went to the little neighborhood where the new houses and stuff were at. So I'm walking my dogs or whatever. You know, walking them. I'm just chilling. So I'm walking up the street, about to turn the corner to, you know, just turning the street, because I'm. So now I'm brushing my hair up, you guys. So now I'm turning the corner. So some dude was about to get in his car. I have already peeped him already. He was just getting in his car, so I was like, okay. So then he was like, hey. And so I turned around. I was trying to figure out who he's talking to. I didn't think he was talking to me. So he was talking to me or whatever. He was like, hey, can I walk with y'all? And I just started laughing it off like, like, okay. Then all of a sudden, some other dog had came out of nowhere and started running. So my dogs are running too. Like, they running, chasing after the dog. So it looked like I'm running away from the dude, right? So I'm running with my dogs or whatever. I turned the corner. So I'm about to go on another street. You know, mind you, I'm about to go to another street. Tell me why old dude gonna come. He gonna come around. He gonna come on the corner of me talking about something. Hey. And I'm just like, bro, what the heck? I'm finna get kidnapped. He was like, how old are you? And I was like, He was like, then he was like, oh, can I take you to dinner? I was like, first of all, the dude was ugly. Second, he looked like he was about 35 years old with 2 kids. Like, homeboy, what are you doing? Why are you not at home watching your kids? Like, come on now. So then I was just like, this dude gotta be crazy. You gotta be, tripping. So I'm just like, no. He was like, are you in college? I was just like, no. He was like, oh, okay. I'm still walking. I'm just like, well, I hope you don't follow me home. I was really watching my back the whole time. First of all, I look like I'm about 12 years old already. So, homeboy, what were you trying to get at? People tell me I look like I'm 15 all the time. Like, sir, I know damn. I know. No. Alright, y'all. Back on topic. Now, I'm about to use my little handy dandy shoestring, right? Y'all, I can put my hair in a regular ponytail, but it's not going to be as tight as I want it to be. So, this is why, my hair look big, but this is why I use a shoestring, because I can make it tighter like that. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put our head down, and then we're going to get the little shoestring. We're going to tie it, not tie it, but like crisscross it, where you can like kind of make a knot or whatever. Turn your head. Now I'm raising it up my head. It's gathering all the hairs, you feel me? Just like that. Put it where you want it to like sit at. So I usually have mine sitting like mid top of my head, kind of. Something like that. So I'm trying to tighten it. Sometimes I messed up and put it in the wrong place, so I gotta start over. So if I put it in the wrong place, I'm gonna start. Then gonna tie it around. Make sure this is all poofed out. Alright. I usually gather like some of my hair and put it in there with it, because I don't like this big old, just like having a big old puff. So then gather some more of your hair in there. So then you tuck the little shoestring thingies in your hair. Then boom, baby, you got a puff. Y'all call it a bun, but it's a puff, okay, guys? Then sometimes I grab some of my hair and bring it underneath it. I can't really tell right now how it's looking. I'm looking at the phone, but we gonna see. Tuck that under. My forehead looking mighty tough right now, but to the baby hairs, baby, back in with the the Eco Stylish gel. Get you a nice little toothbrush. I know mine's looking really nasty right now, but y'all, if your toothbrush ain't hard, what are you doing? Like, I have another toothbrush, but this one works better because the bristles are hard, so it's gonna get everything that you need, okay? Y'all, now I'm done with my edges. As you can see, some of them are like coming up, so I usually put a headband on. I have like this Nike headband. I'm gonna turn it. Should I turn it over? No, that's fine. So I have this Nike headband I usually put on you to, like, you know, seal them or whatever. So bam, baby, bam. Let me get my ears out of there. So y'all, I'm kind of upset because I kind of look like a little rat on here right now because I don't have any more eyelashes. I messed up all of 5 pair of mine. The last time I bought eyelashes was in February, and I messed up all 5. You know, your eyelashes get old, so you throw like most of them away. So I had like 5 eyelashes. 3 of them got too old because, you know, I wore them out. I was looking like a baddie, you feel me? All of that. And now my two pair of eyelashes I had left. I lost 1 pair. That was my best pair I had left. Now the rompy ones I have, I'm gonna have to get rid of because I just messed them up not too long ago. So I have new eyelashes coming in on Tuesday. So your girl is kind of happy. I'll be back to y'all when my edges, you know, come on fleek, you know. The conclusion of my hair, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Looks decent, you know. This is like okay. But y'all, hope y'all enjoyed. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I have more videos coming on the way. Like I said, I have a skincare routine, you know, dropping after this video. Since y'all love to know, you know, what I put on my face. Follow me on Instagram because your girl hit 10K. I hit 10K. I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.